How to redeem a Fortnite code. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. After opening Google Chrome, search for fortnite.com/redeem. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. First, make sure you're connected with your Epic Games account. If you don't have Epic Games account, simply create one. After that, you can search fortnite.com/redeem again and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply enter your code and then click on redeem. That's how you redeem a Fortnite code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.